everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley from Haley, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a snappers out of your wacky track. So what you're going to do first is you're going to make a plus sign. If you don't know how to, you're going to do, I'll show you, you're going to do that, make that, and then you're going to go up on the third one, you're going to go down on the third one, up, and then just make like that. So then you have that. Then you're going to push this up. I'm going to push this side up, and push this side up. And then flip it over so it looks like that. And then you just squeeze it to different different sides. And then you keep going. I'm going to show you guys how to make it one more time, just in case I went a little too fast. So you're going to make that, and then you're going to count to the third one, go up on the third one, count to the third one, go over on the third one, go up on the third one, go over, go over on the third one, go down, and then make like that, and then push the sides up. I mean, you could really do this on either side, but yeah, and then it looks like this. And then you hit that. And then you're going to do on this side. And then you're going to just squeeze it. And then you have a homemade snappers. And then you can take it and then just play like a wacky track again. You can keep doing it. That's what I do all the time. But so, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that like button, turn on the notification bell to always know when I post a video. Bye guys, peace.